What's up, everybody? It's JJ. Today I'll be making a JJ's Own Basil Vinaigrette ravioli sauteed with pancetta, sun-dried tomatoes, and green peas. Video purposes, guys, I have already started to cook the pancetta, the green beans, and the sun-dried tomatoes. What I do is I put a little bit of the oil from the JJ's Own Basil Vinaigrette in the pan. Put the pancetta down, cook the pancetta, throw in the sun-dried tomatoes, and then add the peas. While I've been doing that, I cooked up the ravioli. And here in this bowl is just a little bit of the oil from the JJ's Own Basil Vinaigrette. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this right to the dish. This could be used as a side dish. It could be used as, you know, as a regular meal. Now, because video purposes, I started this ahead of time. You're gonna get your pancetta nice and crispy. And once that's crisped up, you're gonna put in your sun-dried tomato. Then you're gonna add those green beans. And this is what it's gonna look like, guys. It's a very, very colorful dish. Very, very beautiful and super delicious. So now, once this is in, I'm gonna add in all those fresh ingredients. Look at that basil, that fresh garlic, all those fresh ingredients that come from the JJ's Own Basil Vinaigrette. Comes popping out of the side. I gotta taste it. If you want to try any of the JJ's Own flavors, you can visit us at jjsown.com. These are our flavors right here. We have a ginger soy, we have a cilantro lime, we have a red wine vinaigrette, we have a basil vinaigrette, we have a honey mustard, and we have a white balsamic. Now, if you wanted to change up the dressing on this salad, you can, or this dish, casserole, whatever you want to, however you want to call this dish. You can use the ginger soy, you can use the red wine, or the white balsamic. It really is to the tasting of your choice. But it's a very, very colorful dish. And these are cheese raviolis. You can obviously, you know, get any type of ravioli you want. And it's that simple. The ravioli is cooked already, so you're just incorporating all the ingredients together with the ravioli. And then we're gonna plate it up. I mean, it don't get simpler than that. Now, guys, look at this. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful. I mean, it doesn't get easier. I mean, this is an easy dish that the kids would like, the family would like. Like I said, you could use it as a side, or you could make it your main dish. Let's taste it. So we got a sun-dried tomato, we got the peas and the ravioli with the JJ's Own Basil Vinaigrette. It's so delicious. You get the starch of the pasta with the cheese inside. The JJ's Own Basil Vinaigrette has all that fresh garlic and fresh basil. It's like an infused oil. With the sun-dried tomato and the peas, it wraps up everything beautifully. Visit us at jjsown.com and please try this recipe. I guarantee it's definitely be a winner. Have a great day, everybody. I love you guys.